Alright, so this practice is law of sines and cosines. The good news is we're only finding x. So you only have to find what x is. You don't have to fill in the triangle. Find x, round the angle measures to the nearest degree, and side lengths to the nearest tenth. So let's look at the first three. Or let's actually look at just number one. The first thing you have to figure out is if we're using law of sines or law of cosines. If we're using law of cosines, we will know, law of cosines, we will know side angle side, or, what's the other option? Side, side, side. We'll either know side angle side or side, side, side. Let's look at number one. Is there any way I could set up a proportion of law of sines? Do I know one angle and one side that go together? Yes. And then I know x is right here, and it's going with angle 14. So which law are we going to use? Sines. We're going to use sines. So we would set this up, number one. Use the one you know. So we know sine of 67 goes with 14, and sine of 14 goes with x, which is what we're trying to find. Cross multiply 14 sine of 14 equals x sine of 67. Divide by sine of 67. So those cross. This is a side, so we are rounding to the nearest tenth. So I got 3.7. What about y'all? Okay, let's go to number two. Look at what you know. I know this angle goes with this side, and I know this angle goes with this side. So guess what we're using? Sines. Because we can set up a proportion. Sine of 42 goes over 127. Sine of 61 goes over what we're finding. What'd you get, Randy? Good. Everybody get 166? Alright, let's look at number three. I know that 83 goes with x, but I don't know what 73 goes with, and I don't know what angle 5.8 goes with. This is side angle side, or angles, this is angle side angle. I know 83 goes with this, and 73 we could, oh, you can do 180 minus those. I was hoping we were going to get to the cosines. So number 7, okay, we'll skip down there. 180 minus 83 minus 73. This becomes 24. So this is signs again. Can we skip down to number 7? Number 7. I know this is law of sines because it is side, angle, side. Or cosine, sorry. So I'm using law of cosines here. Side, angle, side. What am I finding? X, so it goes outside, x squared. The other two sides are 40 and 12. It doesn't matter what order you put them in. So you would do 40 squared plus 12 squared minus 240, 12 cosine of 37. Whatever's across from the angle, that's whatever you're finding, they have to go together. So if you're finding x, 37 has to be inside. So we get x squared equals 31.3.